Some functions return information to the code that called them. For example, when they perform a calculation, they return the result. In this example right here, we have a function called calculated area. The calculated area function is going to return the area of a rectangle to the code that called it. Inside the function, we have a variable called area. This is created and it holds the calculated area of the wall. The return keyword is used to return a value to the code that called the function. I want to point out that the interpreter leaves the function when return is used. It goes back to the statement that called it, so if there's any subsequent statements in this function, they would not be processed. Once the function has ended, you can see that we have another variable called wall1. This holds the value of 18, which was calculated by the calculated area function. The wall2 variable holds a value of 32, which is calculated by the same calculated area function. This example demonstrates how the same function can be used to perform the same steps with different values. If we want to actually see this in action, we'll need to call an alert so that the browser can display this information, because currently if we preview this in the browser, nothing is going to actually appear on the page. This information is stored, but we actually haven't told it to display anywhere. So if I want it to display, I can run an alert, and since I want to run an alert that's going to display multiple values, I'm going to go ahead and enter the variable name for the first value, followed by a plus sign. Then I'm going to make a set of quotes with a comma, a space, and then another single set of quotes, and then I'm going to write a plus sign again and put the variable name for the second variable that we want to display. In this way, the same alert is going to display the results of the wall1 variable, then it's going to print a comma and a space, and then it's going to display the results of the wall2 variable. If we save our page and preview it in the browser, you can see that now my JavaScript alert displays 18 and 32. These are the results of the math functions that we performed on the page.